Come test drive the 2017 MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble-handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, airbags, driver, knee. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.